Like many of you, it's really important to me that we try and have family dinner every single night. I know it can be tough if you've got little kids or older kids who are coming and going all of the time, but it's one of those family traditions and practices that I am committed to. I found that one of the simplest ways to make family dinner actually happen is by setting a proper table. I'm going to break it down for you, literally the essentials when it comes to setting a basic table. Step 1, simply lay the placemats on the table. We love using wipeable placemats. They're awesome, especially if you've got young kids who do lots of spilling. Step 2, place the dinner plates in the center of the placemats. When it comes to a dinner plate, I like having something we can have for years, so a good white stoneware plate is my favorite. Step 3, place the napkin to the left of the plate. We are just switching over to reusable napkins, pretty cloth napkins we can use every night. Make sure you look for something that's soft and doesn't stain easily. Step 4 is the cutlery. Depending on what you're eating for the night, this may differ, but in general, the fork goes on the left and the knife and the spoon go on the right. Finally, a drinking glass, a good old-fashioned water glass that goes in the top right corner, right at about the 1 o'clock mark. A basic table setting lays the foundation for a family dinner tradition that sparks good conversation, memories, and most importantly, delicious dinners.